Welcome, friends. 2 mad means 2 meals a day. This is me over 2 years ago. These pictures. Following pictures. I hardly recognize myself now. Looking back. It's me last fall. Empty bucket we got from that Anchors Away the other day. Gonna put the kitty food in it. Easier to get at than that bag. Getting ready to wash the sweet potatoes. Just me. I'm gonna vacuum the floor with my trusty Swiffer vacuum. It's gonna scare the cats. I'm going to speed this up and put it to music, because it is kind of boring. What was I going to say? Uh-oh. The floor almost feels a little damp, I don't know. It's damp looking outdoors, but... I have to go down and plug it in. Finished. I just went through the hall and the bedroom. Yeah, the cat, Callie at least is shedding. Tiger lilies over there in bloom. Okay. In the microwave, so we might as well do some warm-ups. In the middle of the kitchen. Yeah, that warm-up is like a workout for an old girl like me. Oh, what else can I do? Just quick. Yeah. My 3-pound weights. On the burn, oh my goodness. Maybe I should have took a day off after that workout in the woodpile last night, piling that truckload of wood. When we put it on, each of us handled half of the wood, but last night each of us handled every stick. Yeah, except Richard put a couple in at the end of it. Oh my goodness. Yeah, starting to work up a sweat here now. Well, it's mucky again. The temperature only says 27, but it feels muggy. Okay, might as well get this done and eat. Yeah, 16 minutes. I'm going to eat now. Yeah, you can't see the clock, but it's 5 to 12 over there. Got the other camera on there, my old phone. I'm gonna finish my eating on that one over there. Closing this one out. 16 minutes. Toodly-doo. God bless. Thank you, everyone, for watching. And maybe if you like it, you could click the like button. That would be great.